Thinking about swapping out your gable vents for ridge vents to boost your attic ventilation and save on energy bills? Okay, so here's the lowdown on why ridge vents might be the move. First off, ridge vents run along the peak of your roof, letting hot air escape evenly, which keeps your attic cooler. You want to make sure you've got good soffit vents at the bottom to let cooler air in, so it creates this natural airflow. When you replace those gable vents, it's important to seal up the old openings properly to avoid leaks or critters sneaking in. Also, ridge vents are usually less visible and can make your roof look cleaner, which is a bonus if you care about curb appeal. One thing to check before swapping is if your roof pitch is steep enough, because ridge vents work best on roofs with a good slope. If you're in a place with heavy snow or lots of rain, make sure the ridge vent you pick is designed to keep moisture out. And don't forget to hire someone who knows what they're doing, because a sloppy install can mess up your ventilation and cause bigger problems. One of the biggest mistakes folks make when switching from gable vents to ridge vents is not having enough intake ventilation from soffit vents, which kills the airflow balance. Fix that by adding or upgrading soffit vents. Another common issue is leaving the old gable vent holes unsealed after removal, which can lead to leaks and pest problems. Sealing those gaps tight is a must. Lastly, some people pick ridge vents that aren't rated for their climate, leading to water damage or ice dams. Always go for high-quality ridge vents made for your specific weather conditions. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about who to hire. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to connect with people who need their skills and get steady work without all the hassle.